walked out one bright sunny morning, espied a young cowboy loping along. His hat was shoved back, his spurs was a-jingling, as he come near me a-singing this song. Oop-hi-yi-yo, get along, you little doggies, it's your misfortune and none of my own. Whoop-hi-yi-yo, get along, for you know Wyoming will be on you home. It's early in the spring that we round up the doggies to mark 'em and brand 'em and bob off their tails. Drive up the horses, load up the chuck wagon, throw the little doggies up on the trail. Oop-hi-yi-yo, get along, you little doggies, it's your misfortune.